Hey guys, my name is Ebunoluwa. I am the creative director and lead photographer at JaePhotography. Guess what? Today, I'll be teaming up with three amazing individuals to create awesomeness. First and foremost, the air connoisseur, right? The airpreneur, right? You can see her masterpiece right here, right? So anything that has to do with natural hair styling, she's your best bet. And this is Oladuni, our beautiful model, right? And you can see she's looking all glammed up. She even did her own makeup, amazing stuff, right? We also have some amazing guys behind the scenes that you can't see. Our videographer, his name is Steve Josh. Follow him on IG. For today, I'm using the 3-light setup, right? My model is wearing something close to a red dress, not red, right? So I went for a red background to give it a monochromatic feel. I'll be using 3 lights, a mixture of hard light and soft light. Now this is my main light on the C-stand. This is an 8600 with a flood reflector and no softener, right? So that was going to give me hard light. I have an 8200 right here with an umbrella to give me a soft effect to lift up the shadows. I have this Godox V860 here as my background light. Let's see what we can create out of this awesome setup. See you.
Try again now. Sorry. One more time.
Hey guys, so this is look 2. I still have a 3-light setup. As you can see, this is my main light with the big umbrella. I have my few lights boomed overhead to give me more like a fashion vibe, and I have that over there to accentuate the beautiful hair. Alright, so see you. Look at me. Give me that smile. Yeah.